Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to be using this tablet to try and make it available for home use, like a laptop or just a desktop computer with some adapters. So that is not good cable management. But I'll first show you the first adapter I'm going to use. This is a micro USB to USB 2.0, I think. 2.0 adapter, which will connect to here. But anyway, let's leave that here. And then the next adapter, because this only has one USB port. This is a USB 2.0 splitter or extension or whatever you call it. But this is another thing on these. And of course, if you're going to use it as a computer, you'll need to use keyboard and mouse, and this is like the worst thing ever. But anyway, my keyboard I'm using here is £1, and I got it from Poundland, and it's a very long cable. There you go. And then the keyboard. So I think I can now start. This will need a lot of space, so I'm just trying to put everything down. So I'm gonna start like this. You can see everything here. And I'm gonna put the advent calendar away. So first, if you're gonna do this video, you need this. And then make sure you align it like that. Plug that in. Now I'm gonna get the mouse like that and the keyboard in like this too. Now I think we're gonna be ready to plug everything in. Okay, now put it first. Okay, so it works. Okay, so I'm just gonna be going to my YouTube channel. So, okay, I am at my YouTube channel here. If you see, I might just play my first video. What the? There's an ad. 5, 4, 3. Oh.
The founders of this car wash. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And
Subscribe.
Oh, I didn't really need to subscribe. This is just an introduction of what this is. So,
What the? Sorry guys. But anyway, now let's get back on my channel to Boss for Cars. Boss for Cars! My YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my background. I'm just going to go down, I guess now. My latest video. Oh, I literally can't do it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. 30 subscribers this video is. But now I have 33 subscribers or something like that. So guys, thank you actually for watching this video. Because you might have not liked to watch this video. Because it's quite boring, you know. Videos are. So now you can use this kind of as a desktop computer, but still, this is quite slower than a normal computer. So it may be much more harder to like get this quite fast enough for daily uses, but you can use it still like there. But anyway, it's only 2 gigs of RAM, so it's slower than a Samsung phone. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and this time I'm gonna stop. So bye guys.